Hey guys, we made it to Knott's. We went on a first ride, it was Pony Express, and then now we're going on a little 2 rides. Say hi guys. I'll let you know at the end of it how it goes. Hopefully I don't get too soaked because I don't want to get soaked, but I'll see you after.
He said, is it real? Is it fake?
This girl. So cute. Hey guys, got back from the water ride. I got soaked. My whole back and my whole butt is soaked. My sister got soaked from her back and butt too. And now I think we're just gonna walk around until we find another ride cause Oh, we are?
I think so.
Oh, actually I think we're going on the log ride. Another water ride. Oh, I've been on that train too. It's pretty cool. It's just like a little tour.
The small one.
No, the little one.
Oh, I thought the big one.
No.
Oh, Silver Bullet?
Hey guys, we just went on the Silver Bullet. I don't know how to tell you. I didn't see it. My eyes were closed the whole entire ride, to be honest. But it was fun, from what my one eye could see. What do you think? What are your afterthoughts from the ride?
It was fun too. It was fun.
It was fun? What about you?
We wanna get a picture right now?
Hey.
Ahorita nos vamos a ver para qué tienda estamos. Oh my god, no.
Next, guys. How you feel?
Like I'm shaking.
Dress.
Oh, you think they're starting at the barbershop?
This is their iron?
Yeah.
It's a donkey.
Those are baby, her babies.
If it was a him, then you didn't need such a. Now the word is
Cornelius, who we have to be able to send to the post office.
Sandra. Back here. Anything up there?
I don't think so.
We're actually okay.
I'm not looking. Period. Oh, never mind. They came back. Not bad, right guys? Not too bad. That one's gonna be next, maybe. I'm scared.
Lo que te pido, ven a ver. Lo que te pido no quisiera que pase otro día.
Oh, damn.
Contale la storia con la famosa che sa, non la conosce con el apodo de John, non la conosce con el apodo de John. Sognare di essere con ella, y arrivando a él si se compra una botella, y arrivando a él si se compra una botella. Se rompe la banda con la primera tensión, y le pone luego buscar al lado, y luego buscar al lado. La gente me mira y me empieza a gritar. Era más de todo, nunca te disfruté. ¿Se quieren ir a la casa? 1, 2, 1. All aboard?